Hello everyone. President Cyril Ramaphosa's not so smooth trip to Russia and Ukraine for peace talks has seen opposition political parties clash over whether it was worth it. Ramaphosa was part of the delegation of African leaders who visited Ukraine and Russia seeking to promote a peaceful resolution to the war. They met with Ukrainian President Zelensky and Russian President Putin. The journey was anything but smooth as more than 120 people, including journalists and members of the Presidential Protection Services, were stuck in Poland because of aviation regulations and bureaucracy last Thursday. The DA federal chairperson Helen Zille and the former EFF member of parliament Zille Ndlozi had different takes on peace talks. Helen Zille described the trip as a shameful fiasco. She reacted on the president's tweet that said His Excellency President Matamela and Cyril Ramaphosa with the other African heads of state and government a meeting with President Vladimir Putin of the Russian Federation in the Marble Hall at the Konstantinovsky Palace in St. Petersburg, Russia during the African Peace Initiative. Zille reacted on the tweet and said, "Do you think this is something to be proud of? Most decent-thinking South Africans are ashamed of this whole fiasco. You bring nothing but shame on our country, and not only on your peace missions. Come home and fix our electricity supply and save AGOA." She also defended the DA leader John Steenhuisen's visit to Ukraine last year. She said that John did not pretend to be on a peace mission to broker peace between Russia and Ukraine. He went to see what was happening on the ground in Ukraine. Big difference. Ndlozi responded to Helen Zille's comments, questioning her stance. He wrote, "We have got to be serious. Why the hell would anyone have a problem with the people who seek to create peace? The truly shameful thing for any decent and thinking South African is you being so up in arms against African heads of state, trying to create peace. Sis." The DA said Ramaphosa's trip should be declared wasteful expenditure. The party accused the government of choosing Russia in the war, while Ramaphosa has been adamant it was not in support of any country but was pushing for the war to be resolved through talks. Ramaphosa said that the African leaders made a presentation to Zelensky and Putin to put a stop to the conflict. He said that we believe everything should be done to end the fighting to prevent further loss of life, injury, displacement, and destruction. As the international community, we need to work together to prevent any further suffering. Both Presidents Zelensky and Putin agreed to further engagements following this initial visit. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.